Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here for my swap review. Sorry this video is kind of late. Just haven't had a chance to actually make it, and I wanted to open it up when I had time to actually make my video. So this is for Lisa had a swap, a stationary flip box swap on her channel last month, and these are my projects. So my first one, this is I'm opening now, should be from Herrera, and let's see what she sent me. She said she hopes I like it and have a great day. And yes, I've seen the pictures, the video on channel, and yes, pretty. So these are the papers that she chose. Well, let me first back up. So again, she sent me that, and this is her card. It says happiness blooms from within. So this is her box, and it comes off just like that. And boom, well, you know how it is with the postmaster, everything comes out. That's fine, that's not a problem at all. So in here, of course, we have some nice almond envelopes. We had to make 4 3x3s. And here were hers. And so, of course, you know, you want your stuff to be kind of flat in a box like this. But her box is nice and sturdy. Looks like she used some chipboard. So these are blank on the inside, so I can decorate them and say whatever I would like to. And they're all the same, from the same paper collection. And then right here, she added a pen. So we have a pen right here, her Paper Mate. And then right here she added a bow tie. So we could do a sticky pad or a notebook, and she did some lined paper. You can see that right here. So she did a nice bow tie on it. And then this pocket right here is for stamps. Anything you want to stick in there, you can make the pocket different sizes and different shapes as well. But that's what, you know, a lot of people put here, there. And in this pocket we can put tags, or we can put and sentiments and things like that. So she opted to put some tags, and here are her tags. Very pretty floral papers, and I like the colors. And they are blank on the other side as well. So put that back in. You can see her paper has that mirrored mirrored look in there. There you go. Nice floral images. I don't know if the camera's picking it up as well, but nice cards. And then we had to make some larger cards, some A2 cards, which are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And again, she made the envelopes right here. You can see those, coordinating the same colored paper. And again, she's got some of that pretty mirrored paper in the back. So it's real easy to have this sitting on your desk and just, you know, pull out your cards. And again, these are flat. So these open this way, sideways. And they're blank on the inside. I think they all open the same way. You can open it top loading or side loading. However you want to do it, however you want to embellish it. So you have 4 of those. So thank you so much, Karen, for playing. And I thank you. Hope you like mine as well. And thank you for this. This is beautiful. Love the colors. Love the papers. And I will be enjoying it. So that is from my swap partner, and Karen. And you can check her out. I will have everybody's link to information below so that you can follow them. And you know what, Karen? I don't see your tag with your items about you. I'm not sure if it's missing, or maybe. I know it's easy to forget to do that in the swap. But anyway, so I will try to find her information and put that up there. So that is from Karen Herrera. And then the last but not least, this is from Scrappy Tate. So let me make sure I'm getting here the right way. Sorry about the crinkle. Some people love the sound, some people don't. But if you like shopping and like opening packages, you like the sound. Be a crafter. That's part of our crafter's life, is to make that sound. So she made these personalized envelopes, which I thought were really nice. This is for Amazing Craft, and she has her Julie Nutting doll there, which I do love Julie Nutting doll, and I had that one. And she's got my name right there as well.